We are playing Shindo Life today. So we are going to earn a spirit. As you can see, here's the tail spirit. My friends are gonna kill it, and my friend is gonna get the spirit. So my friends are joining. Let's start.
Please do the intro again. That was trash.
Uh, so here is. Okay, let's start. He looks terrifying. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah. I think we can do this, guys.
Waiting. We can both the intro now. Oh my.
This is.
Hussein, ek aaya guys.
Are you seeing what he is doing to us, guys?
This sounds like one of those clickbait YouTubers. Guys.
My friends are making jokes on me. Let's go. One of my best attacks. I am. Let's just regain our chakra.
You don't have to explain everything you're doing. They get it. They're not down.
My friends are doing great. But we didn't do great damage to that guy. Run. Let's see.
Am I the only one?
Let's do some good. That's a good attack. Let's go.
What kind of tailed beast is this? Rabbit?
He looks like a rabbit. He is 3 million. We are doing great. The last time we did this, we were like so low. After like we thought we can do this, that thing despawned. So sad. I know.
Oh my god.
I'm playing with my brother, my friend gamerdudes, and my friend yeet. Yeah, uh, there will be link to the channels in the description. They are great friends. Let's do this. We can do this, boys. This attack does a lot of damage to me. This did so much damage to him. He's 2 million health. He's half his health. We can do this, guys. We can do this.
Lakshay did damage to me, bro. I sent you guys the.
Can do this. This is my first Hindu life video. If you like this video, please like this video and comment and subscribe. This is getting intense.
We know you can do this.
You can do this, guys.
Why is this guy not in a water? I wish.
We'll do the attack now that did the most damage. You can check this game out in Roblox. Shindo Life. Big shout out to it. Let's do this. He's like 150,000 health.
1 million.
1 million. We can do this easily, boys. Yeah. If it despawns right now, Let's do this.
Okay, this guy is focusing on me. I am he's my Mara.
Haha, don't try to kill us.
Why?
1 million health! It was like 4 million and when we started. We can definitely do this, boys.
Okay, guys.
Let's do this. We can do this. This is getting pretty intense.
How is it getting intense now? Am I bullying that? Yes. These was wrong.
These guys are bullying me a lot.
होता है भाई होता है.
Second video on YouTube.
First video क्या था फिर तेरा? So you're already a Roblox star. Come on, guys.
Let's do it. We are so close right now. It's like 500,000. Oh no, I'm dead. Guys, you can do this. I died first time here. Let's do this. I'm just waiting for the XP.
Oh yes, yes, yes. वो बात है. Guys, do your best.
We can do this.
They can't hear my voice. Don't.
Let's gain some chakra. Do this.
Oh, 100,000 health.
It's like 100,000 health. We can do this. It's not a question. Don't be negative right now, Atisha. What?
Can I pick it up?
Raptail spirit. We did it.
I got it.
I also got it.
Even I got it.
We all got it, guys.
I used that.
I got it.
How do you find if you haven't?
Yeah, how do you find it?
How do you find it? Oh, look at me. Look at me.
How do you find it? Con in which line? In which line? In which line? Aryan, in which line?
In what mode or miss?
I need 5,000 chi. Then I can.
We can buy it, bro. Is it 6 billion Rio? We still have to pay for it. Bro.
How did you get 6 million? Okay, so guys, we did it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm so proud of myself right now. So if you want Shindo Life, like this video, share and subscribe. Black out. Bye.